There. Is this a fan?
I have very
Ну, надо решить, где тулить. Опа! Ай-яй-яй.
Да, я хочу фотографию. Подожди, Мартин, подожди, мы еще пройдемся, подожди, там туда.
All right, guys. This is our tree. We fit it in our car. It's kind of big.
And tight.
Yeah, and I'm very wet. I can't even move because it was all covered in ice, and now it's all melting on me. See you when we decorate it. Merry Christmas! Hey guys, this was our Christmas tree hunting vlog. This is our tree. It's so good. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to Deflated Penguin. Like and subscribe.